Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to install and download AliExpress. AliExpress is a massive global online retail marketplace launched in 2010 and owned by Alibaba Group. It connects international consumers directly with manufacturers, small businesses, and wholesalers, primarily based in Asia. No middleman markups. You generally buy directly from source, meaning prices are often significantly lower than traditional retailer. No minimums. You can buy single item, you can place your order and have the order delivered. They utilize logistic networks. They ship over 200 countries. So the good thing about it is unbeatable price for everyday gadgets, electronics, and fashion. The risk is also shipping time, so it takes about 2 to 4 weeks for your item to be delivered. The best practice is vet the seller, read users' review, double check sizes, etc. So we're going to install this app. Go to Play Store, select apps, and search AliExpress. Select AliExpress. AliExpress shopping online. 4.5 stars, 526k reviews, 5 million plus downloads. Select install. So the app is installed. Select open. Enable all notification. Get order update. No thanks. It's not compulsory. Allow AliExpress to send notification. Do not allow. AliExpress, then you select your country. So United Kingdom, then select continue. Cookies preference. I usually reject cookies. Welcome to AliExpress. Sign in with your email or phone number or passkey, Google account, Karma, Facebook, and X account. You need to go back and it will show you the website. Then you can sign in later. It will show you sign in to see personalized deals. So these are products listed. You can scroll down. And the way this works, you select search, show you categories, automotive, appliances, women's clothing, men's clothing, toys and games, furniture, beauty and health, shoes, jewelries and accessories, electronics, pet supply, cell phone and accessories. These are categories. Let's say if you want to buy a mobile phone, for example, select mobile phones, then it will show you mobile phones listed on the website. If you select any particular one, so let's say if you select this, then it will show you the price. You can read the review about this item. Add to cart, then you select add to cart. If you want to buy it now, then you select buy now. If you want to add it to cart, then add to cart. Then you select quantity. So 1. So maximum you can buy for this is 3 items. Then you select continue. Add it to cart. So this item is added to cart. So if you go to the cart, it will show you the product. Ship the item to UK or continue. Select checkout, give you option welcome to AliExpress, sign in with Google or Klarna, Facebook, enter your email or phone number and continue. So you can continue and carry on looking for other items if you like. If you want to remove the item, delete on top. So ask you, are you sure I want to remove? Then select yes. So the item is removed. Save payment. So you can use Visa, ID card, safety key. So these are payments you can select. And also you can also capture the image of the item with the camera. Then you allow access. Use camera to scan. Select using camera. AliExpress take picture and record video. Select only this time. Allow access. Then they give you option for you to capture the image. Just scan printer image and it will show you printers available listed on their website. If you want to remove the app, then you go to your home page, select on the app, shop cart, account, or uninstall or widget. Select uninstall. Do you want to uninstall this app? Then select OK. So the app is uninstalled. So this is how to install and download AliExpress app. Thank you very much indeed.